1998 Lexus GS 400. We did something really special on this one. We put two high flow cats, one here, one here. Then we did an X pipe, true dual system all the way back. X pipe with 2 1/4, right there and right there, into a 2 1/4, 2 1/2 X pipe. Then 2 1/2 all the way back to 4-inch tips, rolled edge. One here and one here. Tell us what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound really nice and phenomenal, really loud. There it is right there. Right there, we'll back it out so you guys can see it. All new, true dual, all the way back. There you guys go. Those high flow cats changed the sound completely. Oh, that is so mean. With a car like this, you're not going to care about drone. That's a fact. Let you hear that? We'll let you hear it on the inside.
Inside the Lexus